Anambra people, where una dey? Abeg, I need confirmation for this one. Now, why are they shouting una name like that? If you know say you dey Anambra or you come from Anambra, anyhow, specifically, if you dey live there right now, now una come from, because the one where I see, no be ordinary. The thing where I see, I need to use like 4 eyes, but as it be, I never hide, so I don't feel get 4 eyes right now. Now why I need to now for now to be my second set of eyes? I beg. They don't say businessman. Businessman go show up for a father burial and he carry lion. I dey try understand. No, see, no be joke. Because me, on my own, based on my own level of wisdom and intelligence, you understand? I know the calculator. I say na lie. They say Madam Apoko no be lie. They even send me video. They send me picture. I say I say lie. I get people for Anambra State. Anambra Alpha, hey, I bet make una gather here because now I want make una watch this thing. And not just watch her. Make una give me confirmation whether na true, because this one I never see before. Put the video when I watch. Hey! This one don't carry in the boski go bury her. I bet that joke and a joke. I cover my intestine with the blood of Jesus. I pity all the fact. See, una see this burial one and just watch. Now the waiting they recorded late fathers, brothers, now they pity. Eh? For person to get mind, carry lion. All these guys, in uncles, they don't go try nonsense. Shake, you where you want start? You know if you try nonsense because the thought alone of hey, that guy get lion, no. You know why lion misbehave? And they tell you seriously, I watch this thing, I say lie. I say no. No, just I want make una picture something with me. Imagine say these people gonna get family meeting. You know, so normally, anyhow, I don't come from that side, but I get people who come from that side. If person die, normally, they supposed get meeting after, whether not before or after burial. And especially if the person will die can't get money, properties, they need to share. So imagine the meeting now. Already the father brothers already they shout say, hey, this one is for me, that one is for me. This guy can't show with lion. Bam. Nobody need tell you say if you do anyhow, you see anyhow. You go just if they start to share, now so you go see elders. Oh, now elders go start to ask this boy. Which one do you want? How should we share it? Are you okay? You know that fear go they even they enter them before they hey! Anambra people not too like drama. I don't understand this guy. Because no, some uncles they too wicked. Once your father die, they go start they do even property where they don't put 5 naira inside. They go come. You know, I'm after your father. So automatically, I am next in charge. So do this one, that. Some uncles, you don't want to know. Trust me. So I understand in part. This guy, no, the guy came out. He came out. The thing is sweet to me, I don't understand. People they buy is say if they go one ceremony, people they buy the material. What did they call that thing? Isiagu. No be so na dey call am. That material lion this thing, lion print abi wetin. This one no buy the material so am o. He carry the live lion himself. He suppose enter Guinness Book of Record. But I just dey wonder now how people still dey that place. Like, you no understand, he carry the thing, people still dey. Me, as the lion is coming in, I am going out. Japa, I no fit. Before we go call here say the juju don disappear. No, I just dey wonder because now my people, imagine say they use juju calm the lion down, and the juju expiring date na in the next 5 minutes. You can't dey that slap. You don't know how long the juju go dey. So imagine you dey that place. Ungwanu, the juju, the lion eye come clear. Hey! I don't want to be there. I want to hear the story. I don't want to be part of the people that will come and narrate this long matter. I beg. If you dey watch me now, you know say you attend this ceremony. I beg. This one, na me even dey beg you. I beg, tell us just drop her for that comment section. Tell us how it go, how the party end, how you understand, whether the lion bite per se. I beg, let us know, because me, I dey eager. In fact, I dey wait. Man, people, you know say I dey here for that, but make person start dey tell me because I want to know. Very, very important. My people, na the Anambra matter be this. You understand? Start the drama for that conversation. And make sure say you share am. Share this video. Make everybody know say na wetin don happen for Anambra be this. And don't forget to click on that subscription and notification bell. If not, how you wan get Agu matter next time? Stay tuned for the next story.